Syncrun is a web application that allows a plant to plan its production capacity and schedule its operations in detail, in order to reduce manufacturing costs to a minimum. Whether it is a cost of preparation time or waiting time, downtime, the cost of delays, Syncrun helps reduce these costs and to propose a production plan for all equipment and resources, taking into account the constraints of the plant, whether material or resource related. Syncrun includes two great features. There is the whole aspect of detailed production scheduling. This is the screen we see right now in the Gantt chart. So this aspect really gives a detailed planning to the minute, where there is a very optimal calculation of the sequencing and the sequence of operations. The second aspect of Syncrun, capacity planning, will be especially useful for us to plan for the medium to long term, i.e., to know the level of capacity required according to the workload represented by our entire order book. So capacity planning will be used in conjunction with scheduling, in some cases, or simply independently, to ensure good management of resources in the medium to long term.